this. It did lost me here, and it still catch up with me. I mean, you know, I can't really complain. It just, hopefully, if they come up with a part 2 version of this, hopefully it has this feature already, and the quality of the video, and it's a little bit bigger camera, because that 5 megapixels is not enough for the, if Ryze Tello part 2 is gonna come out. So if they're gonna do that, they definitely gonna need, I would say 12 megapixels. I mean, if you bump the price to $200, that'll be an A game. That'll be an A game. You don't have to worry about it because it's under what, 100 gram or something. Look at this, it's tracking me. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hide on this car. Woo! Let's go ahead and hide. Trying to pass these obstacles here. Oh, you did lost me. Oh, I still not hit that. That's amazing. It's still tracking. Look at this. Wow. No controller needed. Look at that. That's amazing. This is Tello, guys. Look at this dude. Catching up with me. Do you really need to, I mean, you know, like I said, it's amazing, man. Just riding around. And then I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here because I have my Mavic Air 2. And then I'm gonna go ahead and see if it can just track me without if I pass this little obstacles here. It did lost me. It did lost me. It did. He found me again. Wow! Look at that. You just saw that? My God! And this is low light. That guy got a little camera sensor. Oh man! All right, I'm gonna go ahead and hide on this obstacles again. Let's see. And it still tracked me. What? I'm far away. That's amazing. And then all you gotta do is press this and press that, and then it's gonna follow you. Look at this. It's following you backwards. No obstacle avoidance needed. Look at that. I mean, you know, I can see the future, what's going on with Ryze Tello Part 2. Anyway, guys, I'm just showing you what it can do. And I'm just gonna go ahead and ride around over here. I mean, I'm just surprised what it can do. And then, of course, the light a little bit. But that's an easy fix, even though I'm far away. Alright, I'm gonna go right here. Let's see if we can track. Alright, it tracks me over there. Look at this. And then all I gotta do is turn this off. And then I can go this way. Of course, there's more lights over here. And I know it's not gonna suffer. Alright, but you can see the Tello still track me. I'm going back this way. What? On the OneWheel, look. Oh, it did lose me. Oh my goodness, he still got me. That's amazing. What? That's crazy. That's amazing. And then now if all I gotta do is do this and he's gonna follow me now. Look at this. And he's gonna follow me around. I don't have to worry about my... It's coming over here. So I'm gonna back up just a little bit. Alright. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go a little bit forward. I'm gonna have it right here. And then I'm gonna do another tracking. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go. And it's tracking me. Look at this! Woohoo! Tello drone is following me on the OneWheel. Look at this! Wow! And I'm hauling ass! This is interesting. Look at this, guys. Woo! Follow me all the way over here, and I'm gonna go and stop it.